Hello, UE, PA, and PT students. Hope you guys are having a great start to your week. We are excited to announce the opening of your group study spaces on the first floor in room 1138. We have prepared 3 separate areas for you guys to book. One will be within the research space of 1138 over in the left-hand kind of corner of the room. Then we also have 2 other spaces in a smaller room inside of that space, and it is numbered 1138A and 1138B. Those 2 spaces are separated by a curtain and each have chairs and whiteboards for your use as a group study space. This video will serve as a couple different purposes. 1, to announce the opening. 2, teach you guys how to book the space. We're going to be using the UE Library Booked system, and so there'll be more information at the end of this video on how to create an account if you don't have one and use that system. The other thing is, make sure you guys read the study space policy. We want to make sure that the space gets utilized properly and respectfully for all parties, so make sure you read that. And then the third thing is, in order to access the space, you will need a key. The room does remain locked. So what you'll need to do is, after you book the space on UE Booked, then you will need to go up to the 3rd floor with Janice and check out a key. You just need your ID for that. You'll turn in your ID while you're using the space, and when you're done using the space, just bring that key back and get your ID back. So we hope you guys are able to utilize the space for group study. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Stay tuned. They're going to do a quick tour of the room here and also show you how to use UE Booked. All right, welcome to room 1138 on the 1st floor. As you enter, you will see the first study space that you can book over in that left-hand corner of the room. As you can see, we have some chairs, whiteboard, charging station. Then we can move into 1138B. So this is on the left-hand side of the smaller room. Again, several chairs, charging station, and a whiteboard for your use, separated by that curtain. And we'll take you over to 1138A, which will be the 3rd space that you can use for group study. You have the whiteboard there, some chairs, and desk space. All right, now to book the space, you'll need to go to uelibrary.bookedscheduler.com. If you don't have an account already, you will need to create that account by clicking on First Time User and registering your account. You will want to make sure you're using your UE email address when you create that account. After you do, you can log into the space, and you're going to go up to Schedule to create a booking under Bookings. And then be sure at the top of the calendar you click down and click on Stone Center. That will highlight all 3 of the spaces. You can click on a time, put in your time. You will have up to 2 hours to do so, and you can title your reservation whatever it is that you would like to title it. You can also add participants, so you can see in the participant list area if you have several members of your group joining you. You can add those by typing in their UE address and things of that nature. You can, if you don't know their full email address, you can just start typing their name and you'll see a list of names that come up. So after you find the person you're going to add, you just click on them and then you hit create. And you should have that reservation successfully created, and you should see your name highlighted there at the time. Okay, so you have a good overview of what the space looks like and how to book the space, so go forth and enjoy it. Again, just as a reminder, please be respectful of the space. Make sure that you're staying away from the research equipment within the larger space, just so we can keep it in good shape for when we do have research and participants in that space. Have a great day.